Let's draw back the curtain on the 365 Hub. This is our new membership site, and I'm so excited to show you around. We've got a monthly masterclass, and so we'll be running live webinars at the end of each month where we'll deep dive into a new topic each time, and you might even like to suggest topics of interest. We'll drill down across Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Teams, OneDrive, Windows 11, whatever you'd like us to focus on, and we'll record them. So we'll build up a library of these masterclasses for reference inside the Hub. We've got live coaching calls, so we're going to run these once a month, and there'll be 60-minute sessions where you can just come along and bring all your 365 questions. And we'll record these too, so we'll have a library of these live coaching calls to refer to afterwards inside the Hub. We've got a 365 productivity library, so these are short video tips. With Microsoft 365, there's always something new to learn. It's changing the whole time, so we need to keep up to speed, and this is a great place just to get short bites to keep you current. And we can't ignore Copilot. It's going to be everywhere. AI inside Microsoft 365. We've now got a dedicated space inside the Hub where we can teach you what we know, and as we're learning, we'll share with you. It's all inside the Hub. And we've got a bonus course. We love tables. I love Excel tables. They make your data look good. We've got built-in functionality, so things like subtotals. You've got your built-in duplicate data remover, so it will identify duplicates and remove them for you. You've got built-in filters and those magic slicers which let you filter with ease. And tables are used in Power Query, and then they're also used in Power BI. So having tables as the structure for your data is really the way to work best in Excel. So if you don't know about tables, you can find out more in this bonus course inside the Hub. And what I'm most excited about is the community aspect. So inside the Community Hub, we've got challenges, meetups, circles and announcements. We're just going to focus on circles first of all, because we can identify different channels, and I think this is the best way where we can have decent discussions around what's happening, particularly with Copilot. So this is all inside our new membership site. We're calling it the Hub. So welcome to the 365 Hub. We hope you can join us there.